Why animal is important in our life? Why need to good relationship with animal and human? It is very important thing. You see the India? India, every god has a one animal. Because Indian people give the respect for animal. Every animal is important in our life. Western country you see, animal is the only pet animal, otherwise they kill you, the animal and eat. India make every god the animals for symbol because they nature balance don't kill the animal, but people kill the animal. You see the with Durga has a lion, with Shiva has a ox, with Ganesha has a mouse, Kal Bhairav has a dog. This way many animals has with many gods. Gods means spiritual energy. Because people give the respect for also the animal. Which way animal is important in our life? One bird in the Hindi name, Gauraiya. It is the home bird. He living the home, make a small home and they living in the home, in the houses. One time happened, China is kill all Gauraiya because they say they going in forest, they eat all rice and wheats, then not a lot of the coming rice, but they start to kill and they look after some year, rice is very less coming, fruits is very less coming. After scientists start to research why. Because you know every tree has a two flowers, male and female. Birds always come to eat something, and they are very good to spread the sperms. And then fruits, rice, every type of eating fruits is a lot grow up because grass. Birds very good to give in the help for these things. But we are think birds is give the less for fruit and this they eat, which is not true. This way, all animal is the important in our life. Must need to make a good relationship. This universe is very big. This earth also very big. A lot of place for animals. But I kill the animal because our taste. But you see, animal also has a life, also has a lot of inside, beautiful energy. Every animal is the different. When you have a pain and sad and maybe you have a dog in the home, dog know you have a pain. They come to start to play with you and slow your pain is gone and you are going happy. This is the part of family. Same way all animal is the part of family. Use this as Shiva. Shiva has a snake. Snake also is important in our life. Every animal is important in our life. They are not coming to disturb you. Always one animal is disturbing the other animal. This is called human. And this is very important. Other animal you see come to disturb you, never come to disturb you. But human disturb everyone because he are disturbed with self inside. And you are disturbed inside, then you disturb everyone. Not matter animal or not matter your family or where you love, all place you are disturbing. Disturbance is not outside. Disturbance is the inside. And I doing disturb this ego put outside the who is the weak. You are not going to kill the lion and eat the meat. But you are look which animal is the simple you kill and eat. Animal has own vibration, own aura. Slow now research also grow. Which home has an animal? Cow. India is already famous in many thousand years. Which home has a cow? On there has less plague, chicken pox on this family. It is very important things. Also animal has a own vibration. Not only human being is the vibrate, they have also give the positive vibration as like mantra. In the energy field, you animal sixth sense is very strong. Any bad energy coming to you, first your pet animal fight by this energy and suffer this energy. You go deep and understand this point, then you know how much animal protect you. Same way animal protect the environment. Animal protect the earth also. Animal has mixed animal give the life protection in the environment. Every animal has its own aura, own vibration, own sound, and you see God how much making beautiful creation around the world. And we are making high building and try to broke all nature because making by my way to nature. This is not nature. Not possible Robert play as like animal. Robert only possible as like servant. They don't give the emotions. They don't give the love. They just listening the order.
And if you walk on the Indian roads, you see a lot of animals walking with people. But one special is cow. Cow in Western country, say in India, cow is holy. Why cow is so important? What is special in cows?
India say cow is the holy, it is biggest reason, science. I tell you, Indian spiritual teacher look inside, the cow is special vibration. You look the cow face, you look the cow vibration, he is the very simple. You try to give the cow the egg, never eat the cow is the egg. Impossible cow touch the meat. Other animal possible, but cow never eat the meat or egg. They eat only green grass. Who is the vegetarian food? This is the one biggest sign. Everybody knows spiritual development is the vegetarian food is very important, because vegetarian food given the positive thinking, easy kundalini is grow up, and big positive aura. Cow naturally know. This is the vegetarian food give the positive thinking, and cow has a different positive vibration. India using the cow sits in the village on the home to put on the wall also and floor also. And where they put the wall, cow sit, and the floor, on there people say no coming chicken pox, no coming plague, no coming very deep bad diseases, not coming also bad souls, people say. Where is the burn the cow sit after dry? This environment, people say, is very pure. Not say I look this thing practically. Cow pee in this time using by vaporize for anti-cancerous to use. India maximum ashrams sell this cow pee also, sterilized cow pee, and tell 99% disease is solved only by cow pee. Now scientists know research in the urine, maybe self urine, and urine has a powerful medicinal property, but our ancient scientists know already cow pee has a strong vitamins, minerals, every medicinal property. China used the peas, human peas, for making many medicines. Then why not use the Indian people cow pee for medicine? And also cow eating different of grasses and different of medicinal plant. Try to understand deep. This plant, this medicinal property going come by pee with positive hormones, minerals, and they make the sterilize, and also cow has a positive vibration more than other animal. This reason cow is the holy in India.